I say in the morning is fuck that shit. People are bending and tired, so fuck that shit. I walk myself to my church service and I ask for this. Balance my brain chemicals so I can give a shit.
Stay back and don't make advances. I'll keep my side of the train, and I thought forbidden contacts were in order. This is all for the opposition, for the opposition.
Make it right, put your soul out. Give a chance to make this better. Make it right, put your soul out. I'm afraid to pull that lever. Make this right, put your soul out. I need to make this better. Make this right, put your soul out. I still make this right. I'm such a jacket bitch to me. We're back again, but I'm only here for just one more shot. Feel the back of my head, feeling alone. I'm such a jacket bitch to me. It's a kick, a picture, I can check you out. But back to where that rock roll. And then I took the keys right out of the ignition, and I ran, broke out down, running down the street, looking for the way out. Where the hell can I hide? People try to ask me questions, man. I don't know the fucking answer. I just got this rock. I just got this rock. Rock solid.
Raise your hand if the system has missed you, man. Your money ain't gone as far as it used to. Raise your hand if the system has missed you, man. Raise your hand. Raise your fucking hand.
Oh, hey, John. How's it going, man?
I'm alright.
Did you hear about that party?
No, where's that?
Dude, is it 26th and P or what?
It's